Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set the camera to keep the filters you have applied to each mode instead of removing them when you close camera on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then tap on the camera app. Next, tap on the settings button and then go down and tap on settings to keep. And then tap on filters button to turn it on. Now if you go back to the camera and if you happen to apply filters for photos, for example, so let's say frosty or blossom, and then if we go back, you can see now we have applied that filter to the camera. And if we close the camera and if we reopen it, you can see the camera still apply that same filter, kind of pinkish color. So if I tap on the filter, you can see it's still set to blossom, and this is the original. So that's how you can set your camera to save that same filter, so that every time you reopen your camera, it doesn't always going to go back to the default. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.